everyone. Today on Hello Susan, we're going to launch Christmas. I'm so excited for the season because last year I didn't have a YouTube channel. So even though I was designing digitals, I wasn't able to share all of them with you. So this year I hope to do some more of that. Anyway, this is just a bunch that I put together. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you my digitals that are called Victorian Christmas. And then these are just some trims and things that I'm going to use. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of inspiration. Let me see if I can get right in the center. There we go. I can probably go in just a little bit more. Let's straighten it up. There we go. Okay, so this is called Victorian Christmas, like I said before. You can find my digitals at payhip.com. And there's a Christmas tab, and I have quite a few collections if this is not the one that you're looking for. Okay, so it's all Victorian themed. So we've got the typewriter, the boot, the woman with the veiling, all the Christmas stuff to go with it. There's some patchwork in the background. This is the collage sheet. And then here's a bird cage, the joy of Christmas. I've got some inspirational quotes as well. Red bird, or cardinal, which is the correct name. And here's that beautiful Victorian woman and the holly. This is real fun. This is a Sears Roebuck and Company catalog from back in the day, and I just made it very neutral in color so I could use it as a background. And isn't she cute with her little puppy? So cute. And that says Santa Claus North Pole, a little stamp there. And here's a deer and some deer with some birds, butterflies. So it's woodlandy, but in a Victorian way. And here's a teapot. May all your Christmas dreams come true. This is some veiling that I found, and it's for hats. And I took all the backgrounds out so that I could use it as a layer. So that's how I could put it on top of my other images, and you could see the images through it. So I thought that was really fun. This one actually does say Victorian Christmas. Lace work, and look at the snow falling. I just love it. It's so pretty. So feminine. And very Christmassy too. And then here I use that veiling again on top of this Victorian lady in that frame. It's a pretty Santa Claus. Some of these Santa Clauses from that time are kind of scary looking. Okay, so that's all the journal pages, and now we're into the ephemera and tags. And this is some more, there's a belly band, tags, and some more ephemera. And some journal cards and ephemera. That's a pretty big one. Okay, so now what I want to show you is that's all of the kit. That's what you will get in the Victorian Christmas digital kit. Now these are just pages that I have picked out to make up my journal, and so I just wanted to show you which direction I was heading in. Just going to show them to you real quick. So a little bit of neutral in there to get some of the red out. I'm going to put that one on top because I want to show you something. Look at this one. I found that really cool, the terrariums. And that's a Victorian hobby that they had. Some holly and Silent Night. And then these are going to be the smaller pages that I like to put in my journals. There we go. Is that upside down? My goodness. Okay, got switched around here. Well, they're all switched around. Sorry about that. Okay. Love those ladies out there. Can you imagine getting dressed up like that to go out to skate? And there's some boots and some more pages. I like to put 23 sheets of paper in my journals, which adds up to 92 pages fronts and backs. And sometimes I print more than I need, because sometimes I think I know where the book is going, and then I change my mind halfway through. The book just starts speaking to me. Well, once again, sorry about that. Okay. And then these are on cardstock, so these are going to be some more journal cards. Well, I keep going the wrong way. I'm sorry. Okay, so now what I would like to show you, oh, I was going to put that one on top, wasn't I? What I did was I made a paper doll tassel, and I made a paper doll just to go inside. So I'm going to show you that real quick. It is not part of the kit. It's just something that I saw somebody else doing it. Who was it? Cindy T. I saw Cindy T on her channel making these, and so it inspired me to make some. So this is a Victorian woman. I printed her on cardstock, and then I also put another piece of cardstock in between. So there's 3 layers. Let me get in the right place. There we go. So there's 3 layers of her, and it's front and back. I did a mirror image. This is just bits and pieces of laces and trims that I made for the skirt. This is a paper poinsettia I got at Hobby Lobby, and then I put some little flower stamens that are pearls at the bottom. So I'm going to hook her to the side of the book. And let me get the book. I'm going to make a hardcover. And this is the book that I bought. It was $1 at my library, because they get rid of all their old books. And I wanted it because it was red, so I didn't have to paint it or anything. So you can see that this is going to hang there. And that's what I'm going to do with that. Now, this is the other paper doll that I made. And it's a little bit different. I didn't do the mirror images because I'm going to actually glue this to the page. And this is the page that I have selected to put her on, because it's got a little bit of background for her. Can you see how pretty that's going to be? Am I in the... There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, so what I did with her is the same girl, and I just she's doubled up. And then I made a longer piece for the skirt. She didn't actually have a body. And then I took some of my trims and netting and lace and fabric and covered a piece of cardstock just to make that little skirt. And then I'm going to glue her in place, and I want her to hang out the bottom and the side, and then I'm going to make it where it's a pocket so I can put some tags right there. I'm really getting excited about this one. It's so up my alley as far as femininity. Okay, so these are some trims that I'm going to be using. They've got sequins on them, so they're a little bit sparkly. And then here's a red one that's got some 3D flowers. And then I found this one, and it's going to be, I figure it's big enough to do pockets, and you can see through it. And whether I keep it see-through or not, I don't know. But this is the direction I'm going with this kit. So I hope this is inspiring for you, and I hope that you enjoyed this journey on this one. Okay, well, thanks so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.